Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious Mooli and pyaz ka paratha. This came out really well. Do definitely try out this recipe and let's get started and check out the recipe. I have grated two radish. Radish were big enough, and adding little of salt and mixing them once and leaving them for 15 minutes. Now squeeze out the excess water and keep it in another bowl. Make sure you are squeezing out all the water and just take it in another bowl. Add red chili powder half teaspoon and add coriander powder 1 teaspoon. You can add green chili as well, and turmeric powder 1 by 4 teaspoon, coriander 1 by 4 cup, amchur powder, or you can also replace it with chaat masala of half teaspoon. Add a finely chopped onion of 1 onion and mix them once and keep aside. Take 2.5 cup of flour and add oil 1 teaspoon, add pinch of salt and make it a dough. Mix it once, add 1 cup of water. I am making 5 parathas, so I am taking 2.5 cup wheat flour. If you are making more, then take more. Now divide into 5 equal parts. Make sure the size of each part is double size of roti. And then just cover it and keep aside, and take one. Keep the tawa on the flame, make it is hot enough, and then start rolling it. Roll it thick first and then add the stuffing. Add around 3 teaspoon of stuffing and then seal it. Add some more wheat flour and then just roll it thin, not completely thin, just give little pressure. Do not give more pressure to it, otherwise it will break, and just keep rotating and rolling it. So if the water is there, then it will start breaking, so make sure the water is not there. Squeeze out excess water, then flip it one side and add boiled oil or butter or ghee, and our delicious paratha is ready. Enjoy it with ketchup or pickle or curd. This was really delicious and healthy too. Do definitely try out this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.